Hi, I'm Koulic from the OnceHub Support team. Today, I'm going to show you how to distribute meetings using dynamic host selection in your OnceHub booking calendars. This setup uses a pre-created team to automatically distribute bookings among available team members. It's perfect when you want meetings to be handled by whoever is available or when you need to balance your team's workload evenly. Let's look at an example. Imagine you have a sales team of 5 people. You want guests to book consultation, but you don't want all the meetings going to just one team member. With this feature, OneSub can assign the meetings to an available member based on your preferred distribution method. Now let's see how to set it up. Create a team. You need to first sign into your OneSub account, then click on the gear icon on the top right. Select Teams. Click on Add Team. Now let's say I want to create a sales team. You can give the name of the team here and then select the users and click on Add. Then click on Save. So you can see your sales team is created. Now let's go back to the booking calendars lobby. Click on the booking calendar where you want to have this set up. Under booking settings, under host and co-host, click on Add host and co-host. Then click on a member of sales team. Then click on Add. Okay, I've just removed the other member here. And so for now, we have the sales team here added as the host for this booking calendar. Now you can choose the distribution method directly beneath the host and co-host dropdown. You can either select any available team member or you can select round robin. The any available team member is ideal when you want guests to see the widest range of available time slots. The round robin option is the equal distribution method, and it balances the meeting load evenly across the entire team. So here you can click and manage the priority or the limit or the number of bookings that a user will get in a day. And you can also select any available team member and round robin distribution method from this option. Once you're happy with the selection, you can click on Save. These options give you the flexibility to match your team structure, whether you are sharing responsibilities or preventing burnout or offering broader availability of your guests. The dynamic host setup ensures that every booking is handled efficiently while keeping your team's schedule under control. And that's it. You have just learned how to configure distributed meetings using dynamic host selection in OneSub. This setup streamlines scheduling, distributes workload fairly, and ensures your guests always connect with the right team member. If you have any questions, our team is always there to help. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit like and subscribe for more such OnceHub tutorials. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.